Hello guys, in this video we will be introducing two new features on TRADO. It will be on real time you can execute your limit buy sell orders in live LTP. Okay, and the second one is static SL trailing. Now let's set up our trading terminal on TRADO. Simply go to the trado.web.app and on terminal log in with your broker credentials. Simply sign in. And here we will take one random trade for live demonstration of this feature. But before taking the live demonstration, first we will know why we need this feature in our daily trading setup. See, like in this candle, you can say this candle is very volatile. It has big wicks. In this candle, if anyone wants to take any scalping trade, on that time, whenever any trader or any scalper wants to take trade here on market price, like if you want to take trade at 160 rupees, okay, but when you place your market order, on that time your order get executed on the top of the wick, you get big SL. So when your SL is too big, your psychology get affected and you can't hold this trade, and it's very disadvantage for traders to scalp like this. Okay, so here we introduce limit or LTP. It's like you can directly place your order at this price on live LTP, and that order will be placed on limit price. Okay, so whenever your order gets executed, it will executed on one price. And if you want to buy like 500 quantities, that all order will be placed at 150 at the limit price, so you will not face any slippages over here. Okay, now let's see how this setup works. We will take one live trades. Just give me a second. Okay, to use this feature limit on LTP, you have to click on this checkbox, and then all orders, whatever order you will play or execute, that all order will be executed on limit price on live LTP. Whatever live LTP is going on, at that price your limit order will be placed. Okay, and before taking trade, I will set some target and SL, like 5 point target and SL. And here we will see the live static SL also, how that works. I will take one random trade on live LTP. Okay, like I took, like say if I took a trade, see my order got executed at 150.50. okay, it's a limit order, and see my target and SL is at 145 and 155. My SL at 145 and target at 155. I can trail my SL from here, like 147. I can increase my SL. I placed my SL at 147, 148. I can reduce my target or I can increase my target. Okay. My SL got hitted. In this clip, we will be verifying the trades whatever we have took on broker's terminal. And I will take one more trade, a small trade, just to that for verification, like 2 points, not more, and I will buy OTM strike price. OTM strike price like this one. Simply I buy, order got executed, and see my SL and target at 41.5, and this I can trail my target. So like it's 45, 44, 45. Okay, it's got hit. You see my SL got hit at 44.55. Now let's verify this order. I bought 2 lots, and what was the strike price? 44,200. I will go to the broker terminal and see. And this one is my TRADO terminal. I can verify from here all the orders. Order got executed at 2501, and here also you will see the order got executed 30 quantity at 2501. Okay, and it got exited at 12. And limit price, order got executed at limit price. This order I can go in the info, say limit, order type limit 43.75. 43.75. Check the positions 41.3 and all, 12.75, 0.8. It's round number, that's a 5 paisa different. It's nothing. You can check the other orders also which we took in the last trades. Okay, thank you.